for this time IQ, or as you can see IQ IQoption API. Then you can just say GitHub. That's the one. That's what you want to hear. It's Lu Yin Sun. That's the name of the writer of the package. Yes. Then now you go to this page, and then this is the API. This is the whole package. And then now you can just download the source code. Just download the source code as a zip file. As you can see, it's already on my computer. So I don't need this one. When you're done downloading it, okay, just take you through it. Okay, it's done there. And now what I want is when you're done downloading the API, now you go to where the API zip file is. You wanna extract, and then as you can see that you have the API extracted. Now you wanna open your folder where the API is. On top, where there's a search bar, you can just easily write CMD. Then you have access to your command prompt. Now that you have your command prompt open, you want to head back to your tab, then go to that page now. Then you scroll a little bit down, then you're gonna see something right there saying documents. This one, there's a new document here. So this one, then when you click on that, when you click on that, now it's gonna take you to this new. From here now you can see IQoption document. That's where you get relevant example and documents that to see when you or to do when you're gonna use the API. You're gonna use Python, then install the API. So we're just gonna say here, now that you are in this folder, you run your command prompt as I told you, then you type Python, right? And then now it's just after you write in Python, so now you have Python, then the last argument is install. Now this command will allow you to install the API on your machine. Okay. Oh yes, my bad, sorry guys, I need to write down the extension. Sometimes I confuse these things, not that I confuse it with any, but yeah, confuse it. Now once you have this command installed within this folder, you can say python setup.install. That's it. Download the source code, run this. So what it means here, it means you download the source code. Inside the source code now you must have Python installed on your system so that you can be able to run a Python file. So the command is gonna be installed, and then you enter. Right, let's do it again. Just only write enter. Something is gonna come up on that, depending if yes, of course you must be connected on the internet. You must have internet access to be able to install this API. It's not an offline thing, it's an online thing. Just gonna let the machine do its thing. Fortunately for us at this moment, everything has been installed successfully, but sometimes people might get an error saying something about the socket and so on and so on. Whenever you have an error around that, just comment on